Leo, the Great Cardinal Challenge intensifies July and August of 2010, but the power of Saturn will affect your chart all through 2011 until October 2012. Here's how you should use this energy. Saturn is here transiting through your third house, and this is one of the houses where we learn things. So what we need to do at this time is we have to ask the question, what have you learned from your surroundings and from the people that you grew up with or the people that you spend time with? This could be in business or friendships or whatever, could even be family members. You need to analyze how you personally think and then how you communicate to other people. You have to identify what kind of knowledge you're going to need in the future and then go seek it out. Again, this is one of the houses of knowledge and learning. You need to center your mind, you need to sharpen your thoughts and your ability to communicate what you really mean, and you will gain more power, especially mind power and communications power, if you pursue them through some type of education. Now that might be a little difficult. Saturn always has a way of making things difficult, but it's important, and that's why it's difficult. So if you're willing to struggle, you will learn. Change is coming. That's a fact. You can be better prepared for the challenges and opportunities with a spiritual and psychic reading and an in-depth personal transit chart. For more information, go to ProfessorAstrology.com or call 518-434-8727. That's 518-434-8727. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. only, New York City time.